Here's some Quebec separation trivia. Subscribe. What year did the first Quebec referendum occur? Is it A, 1982, B, 1980, C, 1995, or D, 1978? The correct answer is B, 1980. What was the primary goal of the Bloc Québécois? Is it A, federalism promotion, B, support for Ontario, C, economic integration? The Bloc Québécois aimed primarily for Quebec's sovereignty, not promoting federalism. Supporting Ontario contradicts their focus on Quebec interests. Economic integration does not align with their goal of achieving sovereignty for Quebec, or D, Quebec sovereignty. The correct answer is D, Quebec sovereignty. Who was the Premier of Quebec during the 1995 referendum? Is it A, Paul Martin, B, Jacques Parizeau, C, Lucien Bouchard, or D, Jean Charest? The correct answer is B, Jacques Parizeau. What language is primarily spoken in Quebec? Is it A, Spanish, B, English, C, Mandarin, or D, French? The correct answer is D, French. Which federal act aimed to promote bilingualism? Is it A, Bilingual Education Act, B, Official Languages Act, C, Language Accessibility Law, or D, English Language Act? The correct answer is B, Official Languages Act. What document recognized Quebec as a distinct society? Is it A, Meech Lake Accord, B, Charter of Rights, C, Constitution Act, or D, Quebec Act? The correct answer is C, Constitution Act. In which year was Quebec's Quiet Revolution? Is it A, 1958, B, 1960, C, 1965, or D, 1962? The correct answer is B, 1960. What is the name of the 1980 referendum slogan? Is it A, Liberté ou décès, B, Égalité ou indépendance, C, Union ou mort, or D, Unité pour tous? The correct answer is B, Égalité ou indépendance. What did the 1980 referendum focus on? Is it A, sovereignty association, B, economic integration, C, independence only, or D, federalism? The correct answer is A, sovereignty association. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.